Hello guys, SobMix apnalokok swagatam. Some of my non-Assamese subscribers had asked me about how to change the light settings of the Sony DSX A416BT music system, which I previously uploaded the unboxing video. So let's start the video. We are going to change this portion, then display portion also. Now we have to go to the menu by pressing this knob. It will show display option. Then again we have to press this button. Okay, now set button C. If you rotate this DSPL, you can rotate button C, press OK, then set color. OK, then we have to rotate the knob to select the desired color. Suppose I am going to set it to suppose pink color. Getting this pink color, we have to press OK to select this pink color, then press back, then again rotate this knob to show the display option DSPL-C, then OK, set color. OK, we have to rotate this knob to select the desired color. Suppose we have set to green. OK, then back. Now we can see the outer layer is pink and the display section is green. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks again. Jai Ahom.